Rides fam? It's Matt again with another Boss 302 episode. Guys, schedules have been super crazy. It's been a while since we've been able to take the Boss out and just have some fun with it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this thing out. That's my performance brakes, guys. They're pretty squeaky, but we're gonna get out here and we're gonna have a good time. So before we get into this driving, I want you guys to click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Boss 302 and future project car content. You guys aren't gonna miss it. Let's go. It's difficult to talk about, but we have so many parts for this car just sitting in the garage, ready to go. One-piece drive shaft, Calimer Stage 3 transmission, BMR safety loop, RXT clutch, you name it. We got Flowmaster axle backs. I still have to do the axle back shootout video, and we just haven't had time to do it. Whenever I have time to make Mustang content, I plan on making Mustang content. I can't wait to show you guys the project car that's coming up. It's coming soon. It's still getting worked on. The kids don't even know what it is, but it is going to be a game changer for the channel for sure. too hard for the GoPro there. It's been a minute since we've taken the Boss out and had some fun with it. Had the car since 2017. It always puts a smile on my face. If you're looking for a raw Mustang, you really can't do better than a Boss 302. It still has that old school feel with a nice little modern edge to it. I'm not gonna lie, the independent rear suspensions do handle great, but for a car with a solid rear axle, this thing can handle turns like a dream. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Boss 302. Don't forget to subscribe for more Boss 302 and future project content. You guys are going to enjoy it. Can't wait to bring it to you. See you next time.